Tips for purchasing cordless drills. There are a wide variety of cordless drills on the market, each with different features. Regardless of the model you choose, make sure it is comfortable in your hand. Try several in the store to find one that fits you best. A few different hand grips are available, and only by trying them will you know which you prefer. Look at the position of the controls to find one that will be easy to operate. Features of cordless drills. Look for variable speeds. Harder materials require lower speeds. Softer materials require higher speeds. An adjustable clutch is an excellent feature to have on a cordless drill. These change automatically with the density of the materials being drilled. This feature is great for beginners, as it takes out the need for guessing about the right clutch position. Consider the power level of the drill. Voltage ranges from 2 to 24 volts. Consider your needs when choosing the right drill. Higher volts are needed for drilling heavier materials. Always choose a drill with slightly higher voltage than you think you'll need to be sure you will have enough power. The battery is another important consideration. The battery life varies widely among drills. Look for a model with 2 batteries. With this feature, you can be using one battery while the other is charging. You won't need to stop working to charge the battery, as you would with only one. Change the battery as soon as you notice the power level drop. Manufacturers of cordless drills. A Makita cordless drill is popular in woodworking shops. This company was one of the first to offer cordless models and continues to advance its technology. These drills are durable and have a long life. A variety of different models are available. Features like variable speeds and multiple torque settings make them versatile. The batteries have the latest technology. Many models come with 2 batteries and some come with a 15-minute fast charger. The Makita 18-volt 1/2-inch cordless drill is a compact drill with good power. The ergonomic design makes these comfortable to operate, with efficient power. Features like variable speed and a shift-lock drive system make drilling easier and more efficient. This drill comes with 2 long-life batteries. The rigid 1/2-inch drill has 18 volts for sufficient power. This model comes with high-capacity batteries and a dual charger that allows both to be charged at the same time. Features such as a 2-speed transmission and 24-position clutch make this drill an excellent, heavy-duty tool. Rigid tools also make a great 3/8-inch cordless drill with 14.4 volts. This drill is powerful, but tends to be heavy. It weighs 5 pounds. Features such as variable speeds, reversible speed and a 24-position clutch make this a versatile tool. 2 battery packs are included with this model. If you are interested in learning more about this product, click link in description. You can also watch my reviews on any other products. Find the link below in the description area. If you benefit from this video, be sure to hit the like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you.